Hey everybody, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. You want to sit for meditation and you want to practice pranayama, breathing techniques, but you're not able to sit on the floor properly. You have the stiffness in the hip. I think you should try this flow. I have two parts. This is the second part. Part 1 is already in the description below. Please check, see how it works for you. Let's get started. Please come on your mat. Alright everybody, sit in any comfortable posture. Now from here, take your both hands backside, bend your knees, come up on your heels, take your toes a little bit to the corners, like a deep squat. In yoga it's called as malasana, garland pose, but it's not exactly malasana, it's a variation of malasana. So you need to take your elbow joint close to the knee joint, bring your palms together and try to push your palms all the way down and try to bring your palm or your thumbs between the sternum, the chest bone. When you're pushing your palms down, try to observe your knees goes all the way outside and you feel the stretch in the inner thighs. Stay for a few breaths here. Try to observe the stretch. If you're not able to sit on your heels, you can come up on your heels and come up on your toes. You can stay here, it's totally fine. From there, slowly. Now, drop your hands all the way down. Come into standing forward fold, your toes pointing forward. Slowly walk your legs a little bit to the sideways, 3 to 3.5 feet. Now bend your left knee. With your right hand, grab your left shin or left ankle. Reach your left hand all the way up. Stay for a few breaths here. Try to push your buttocks as much as possible down. 3, 2, 1. Drop your left hand down. Walk hands all the way towards your right foot. Extend your left knee. Bend your right knee. Make sure your knees are not crossing over your toes. You're pushing your hip back and pushing as if you were sitting on the chair. Now with your left hand, grab your right shin or your right ankle, reach your right hand all the way up. You can look up to the ceiling or to your fingertips, or you can look towards the right side or you can look down. Try to push your elbows down as much as possible and open up your right hand back. 3, keep breathing. 2, 1. Drop your right hand, come back to center. Fingers pointing forward. Now, interlock your fingers behind your back. Try to extend your elbows. Gently drop your head down. Feel the stretch in the hamstrings. Every exhalation, try to go a little bit more down. Keep your knees slightly soft. Do not hyperextend your knees. Stay for 3 breaths. Relax your neck muscles. 2 breath and 1. Bring your hands once again on the floor. Walk your hands towards the top of your mat. Left leg on your toes. Take your right leg back. Come into downward facing dog. Bring your feet together if you're comfortable, or you can keep your feet apart. Fingers widespread. Rotate your triceps towards the floor. Relax your neck muscles. Keep pushing your chest down. Pull your abdomen slightly in. Lift your tailbone towards the ceiling. Keep your knees soft. Keep pushing your heels gently. And breathe. Now from there, inhale, come up on your toes, reach your right leg as much as possible all the way up. Exhale, bring your right foot between the palm. Drop your left knee, reach your hands all the way up. Inhale. Exhale, drop your hands, take your right leg back, come into downward facing dog. Now come up on your toes, lift your heels, inhale, left leg up. Exhale, bring your left foot between the palm, drop your right knee, Reach your hands all the way up. Exhale, drop it down. Take your left leg back, come back to downward facing dog. One more round. Inhale, reach your right up. Exhale, forward. Drop your left knee, reach your hands all the way up. Sink your hip down. Exhale, down. Right leg goes back, downward facing dog. Inhale, left up. Exhale, forward. Reach your hands all the way up. Exhale, down. Take your leg back, downward facing dog. We'll go last one round. Inhale, reach your right up. Exhale, forward. This time don't drop your left knee, but keep your right knee, right heel in one line, your right thigh parallel to the floor. Reach your hands all the way up. As you exhale, grab your left wrist with your right hand, lean your body towards the right side. Stay for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to center, separate your hands, palms down, right leg goes back into downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg all the way up. Exhale, comes forward. Reach your both hands all the way up. Now grab your right wrist with your left hand. Take deep breath here. Exhale, lean towards your left. Stay for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, drop your hands down. Take your leg back, come into downward facing dog again. From here, drop your knees down, just between the palm, chin down. Inhale, come into Bhujangasana, Cobra. Exhale, come into Child's Pose. Stay here for 3 breaths. 3, 2, 1. Now, inhale, take your right leg outside your right palm. Reach your right hand all the way up to ceiling. Exhale, down, right leg comes back, Child's Pose. Inhale, left leg forward outside your left palm. Reach your left hand up. Exhale, Child's Pose. Let's continue 2 more rounds. Inhale, right forward, right hand up. Exhale, Child's Pose. Inhale, left forward, left hand up. Exhale, Child's Pose. Give it last one. Inhale, right forward. This time, tuck your left toe. Try to tilt your body towards the right side and take your right toe in, left toe up. Try to bring your hands in front of your heart center. Don't worry, I'm going to do it other side. Now you're going to see my back, it's totally fine. Try to bring your palms in front of your heart center. Stay for 3 breaths. 3, 2, 1. Once again, bring your hands to the top of the mat. Left leg on your toes, right leg goes back. Downward facing dog. Now, inhale, bring your left leg outside your left palm. Drop your right heel down. Left toe turn forward. Right toe lifted up. Try to bring your hands. Here we go. You need to bring your hands close to the chest like how we did in the beginning. The garland pose, Malasana, the deep squat pose. Try to observe the stretch all the way in the back of your knee, back of your thighs, and also in the inner thighs. Try to point your toes towards the body and try not to lean forward. Try to keep your spine straight, shoulders away from the ears. Do not shrug your shoulders. Stay for 3, 2, 1. Once again, Come back to downward facing dog. Drop your knees down, chest down, chin down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now, inhale, lift your heels, lift your left leg all the way up. As you exhale, take your left leg outside your right palm, but you are going to extend your left leg this time. And try to sink your hip down, drop your elbows, and stay there. If you're comfortable, with your right hand, grab your sole, extend your left hand to the left side, drop your chest down. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Release your hands, come up on your palm. Take your left leg back. Pedal your legs, push your left heel down, right heel up, right heel down, left heel up. Few more rounds. Now this time let's go on the other side. Inhale, reach your right leg all the way up. Exhale, right leg goes to the left side. Sink your hip down. Elbows comes to the top of your mat. If you're comfortable, with your left hand, grab your right foot. Extend your right hand to the right side. Drop your head down and breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Once again, come up on your palm gently. Lift your buttocks off the ground. Right leg goes back. Downward facing dog. Now from there, drop your knees. Knees apart until the mat width. Toes together. Push your buttocks towards your heels. Relax in child's pose. Now slowly come up and lie down on your back. Bring your feet together. Bend your left knee. Bend your right knee. Take your left knee close to the chest. Give a nice and tight hug. Now with your both hands, grab your soles of the foot. Your elbows come inside. Left elbow comes inside. And try to lift your heel all the way up. Make sure your heel and your knee in one line, your sole facing to the ceiling. From there, gently pull your knees down by the side of your armpit as much as possible. Stay for 3 breaths. If you're not able to grab your sole, grab your ankle or your shin bone. Once you feel comfortable, hold your left foot properly with your left hand. Try to extend your right hand slowly and then place your right palm on your right thigh and gently give a nice pressure, gentle pressure on your right thigh. Breathe. Still your left heel, left knee in line. For 3, 2, 1. Now slowly try to extend your left leg and drop it towards the left side if you're comfortable. If you're not able to hold your left heel or left sole, you can hold your inner thighs. Stay here. 3. Without lifting your right buttocks. Take the support of your right hand and keep pushing your right buttocks down. 2, 1. Release your hands and bring your legs together. Bend your knees once again. Now this time, grab your right knee and try to pull your right knee close to the chest. Okay, alright. Now bend your both knees, give a nice and tight hug. Now with your both hands, take your hands inside your knees, grab your soles slightly feet apart until your heels and knees in line, soles facing towards the ceiling. With the support of your hands, gently pull your knees down by the side of your armpit. Bend your elbows if you're comfortable. Feel the stretch in the inner thighs now. One of the beautiful stretch. I love this stretch. Breathe. Toes pointing towards your body. Feel a little more stretch now. 2, 1. If you're comfortable, to grab your big toes and try to extend your knees and take it to the sideways as much as possible. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your feet together. Now cross your legs. Try to hold your top of your foot and try to gently pull it towards your body. Once again, switch your legs and gently pull it towards the side of your body. Come back to center. We'll go one stretch. Come into butterfly. Soles of the feet together. Hands by the side of your buttocks. You're going to lift your buttocks all the way up like a bridge pose. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. You can take your heels a little bit closer if you're comfortable to feel the more stretch. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Bring your knees together. Nice and tight hug. And relax in Shavasana. Don't forget, Shavasana is very important posture. It looks very easy, but it's not. It's one of the toughest posture. Yes, everybody, hope you have enjoyed this practice, and I'll be looking forward to see your feedbacks. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Namaste.